This point is located. Everyone, this is Vidushi Yadav. I am working as an assistant professor at Muzaffarnagar Nursing Institute, Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. The topic of my research is effectiveness of acupressure at Sinian Yin Geo Point SP6 on menstruation discomfort among adolescent girls in selected senior secondary school at Meerut. This research was published in 2018 in International Journal of Science and Research, Volume 7, Issue 3. As you all know, dysmenorrhea is one of the commonest problem experienced by adolescent girls, which result in disruption of routine activities, absence from school, unnecessary medical expenses, adverse effect of drug, physical and mental disorder, purchasing of drug like ibuprofen, antispasmodic of drug to reduce the effect of pain. So this Sinian JOSP6 acupressure is commonly used for urological disorders, pelvic disorders, insomnia, menstruation cramp. This point is located at 3 to 4 can up the medial aspect of the calf, proximal to the median malleolus. The point is located just prior to the border of the tibia. In this picture, you can see how we can measure this point. Just locate your finger at highest point of the ankle and measure 3 to 4 can up. You can give the pressure by hand by using certain type of instrument, acupressure instrument, by finger also. It is stated that this acupressure releases some natural opioids which reduce the level of pain and increase the pain threshold of the individual. The objective of the study was to assess the level of menstruation discomfort among experimental and control group, to assess the effectiveness of acupressure at SP6 point on menstruation discomfort in experimental group, to compare the pre-test post-test score regarding menstruation discomfort of experimental group with pre-test and post-test score of control group, and to find out the association between post-test result of experimental group with selected demographic variables. Now I have selected two main important operational definition from my problem statement. First is menstruation discomfort and second is adolescent girls. Menstruation discomfort in my study, it refers to any degree of perceived menstruation pain and anxiety during first day of menses. Adolescent girls in my study refers to the girls belong to 11 to 18 year of age group who have attained menarche studying in higher secondary school. The methodology I have used in my research is approach, evaluative approach, design through experimental, research design, pre-test, post-test control group design, research setting, Raghunath Girls Inter College Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, variable, independent variable, SP6 acupressure for 20 minutes, 10 minutes on right leg, 10 minutes on left leg, dependent variable, menstruation comfort. In menstruation comfort, two components were taken, pain and anxiety among adolescent girls. Sample were adolescent girls of selected senior secondary school who fulfilled inclusion and exclusion criteria of the study. Sample size total was 100. 50 were selected in experimental group and 50 were selected in control group. Sampling technique used for this study was probability sample technique with lottery method. Pilot study was done prior to the study to evaluate the reliability and validity of the tools. Data collection. This is the process by which data was collected for this study. Pre-test data was collected from both the group. Pain level was assessed with 11-point numerical pain rating scale and anxiety level was assessed Hamilton anxiety scale for both the groups. Then SP6 acupressure was given for experimental group only for 10 minutes on right leg and 10 minutes on left leg on the first day of menses. Post-test data was collected from the both group, and in this study, two post-tests were conducted. One post-test was conducted. First post-test was conducted after 1 hour, and second post-test was conducted after second hour of intervention. No intervention was given for the control group. For demographic variable, structure questionnaire was used. Data was collected by structure interview schedule. Permission from research committee, ethical committee, principal of school, principal of nursing college was taken prior to the study. All the things were done in systematic and proper way. Result, majority of girls, that is 60 to 70%, were between age group 14 to 16 years in experimental and control group. 48 and 64% girls had attained menarche between age 12 to 14 years in both groups. In experimental group, 92% girls had 26 to 30 days of menstruation cycle. In control group, 100% has 26 to 30 days of menstruation cycle. Duration of menstruation in experimental group means majority 86 was of 3 to 4 days, and in control group 5 to 6 days were 8%. In control group between 3 to 4 days were 76 and 5 to 6 days were 24. 72% girls were with moderate flow of menstruation and 28 were with heavy flow of menstruation. In control group, 74% were with moderate flow and 26% girls were with the heavy flow. Majority of girls, that is 82% and 92%, experienced menstruation discomfort first time during menarche in both groups. Majority of girls, that is 74%, ending of menstruation discomfort was first day of menses in experimental group, and 76 was in control group. 92% girls of experimental group and 96% of control group were experiencing menstruation discomfort at every cycle of menstruation. 82% girls complained for more effect on limitation of activities like absence from school in experimental group, and in control group 78%. 90% in experimental and 92% in control group were not using any self-care method for reducing pain. Now this is the comparison of pre-test and post-test result among experimental and control group. So here you can say pre-test result of experimental group was 7.4 out of 10. This is the pain level, pain score of both groups. And in control group it was 7.4. After giving intervention in experimental group, after 1 hour, the pain level reduces and mean pain score was 4.4, and in control group, mean pain score was 7.5. It was not reduced, whether it was increased. In post-test 2, further pain level in experimental group reduces, and it was mean pain score was 3.9. Whereas in control group it was 7.7. So the reduction of pain after 1 hour was 32%, and after 2 hours it was 38%. Whether in control group there was no reduction of pain. So these findings are statistically significant at 0.01 level of significance. In this chart also you can see the pretest level of pretest score, mean percentage of both groups, and this one is experimental blue one and red one is for control group. After giving intervention after 1 hour, pain reduces in experimental group, and after 2 hours further it reduces, but in control group it was same. Now this is the comparison of anxiety score. So as I told you earlier, I have taken 2 components in my research. First was pain and second was anxiety on first day of menses. So this is so the pretest, it was out of 20. It was out of 50. So the pretest score was 29.68 in experimental group. Post test it was 17.7. And in post-test 2, after 2 hours, it was 16.2, whereas control group, it was around 30. The mean score was around 30. So after post-test in experimental group, there was 22% reduction of anxiety, and in post-test 2, there was 26.6%, nearly 27% reduction in anxiety level in experimental group. These findings are also statistically significant. Now this is the association between post-test 1 pain score and demographic variable, and post-test 1 anxiety score and demographic variable. So I have taken only main finding. According to this table, age and self-care method in anxiety, self-care method used during menstruation comfort. So age, it was found that age was associated with pain score, and self-care method used during menstruation discomfort was associated with anxiety score. So this association is also significant. Conclusion of this study, the study concluded that the effect of acupressure was sustained up to 2 hours after intervention, while in control group there was increment in pain and anxiety level as well as, hence SP6 acupressure was effective in reducing menstruation discomfort in terms of pain and anxiety. These are some references I have referred for my study. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, International Journal of Science and